Hi, Chris here for Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to do this using conditional formatting and some function, the small and the large one. Let's get started now. So here we have a hypothetical set of data. I took temperatures for a year. Let's imagine, alright, and to apply, it doesn't look so great. You should admit that it's a little bit confusing. So to end up with something like that, which looks much better, and you can see at a glance where is the minimum roughly and where are the maximums, right? So this is for this set. We will start first, right? So we go to the blank slate, right? And to select, I press in H4, which is generally the first set of temperature. I press the shift button and I go to the last, which is S15 in my case. Alright, so this selects the whole thing. Then to apply the formatting is simple. You go to color scale and we go to this one. Okay, so you can read what's here, but basically this one will do the highest temperature in red and the lowest in blue. If you want the opposite, you just go that way. Alright, it's as simple as that. So for this section we will do like so. Alright, and now you can do the same for here. You press the first cell, shift button, and the last, and we repeat like so. Okay, so now here we want the lowest to be in red and the highest to be in blue. Alright, so we select the first cell, shift, the last cells, we select the whole thing, go to control formatting and color scale, and we select this one, and there we are. Right, it's as simple as this. So here I select it for it to be different than this one, but you can change if you want to. You just have to select again if you want the same, but it doesn't look as good, of course. I'll show you like so. There it is, and this is the opposite. Means that the lowest will be in red and the highest in blue. Okay, I do believe that's why I say in the first place, yes, but I don't like it, so I change. Okay, now I will press Control on my keyboard and the Z at the same times, and it reverts to the opposite. It's the same as pressing the back button. Alright, so I'm going to save this one because it's done. Now we will go to the small function. There we are. So to apply the minimum, in that case for the bond, you need to type equal. So either you type equal or either you press a plus. In Excel, once you press a plus and you type something after, it will insert a function automatically. So we press small. You can see that the function appear already if you want to. You can press here or press tab and we select it. What do we want to select? Okay. We select the first cell. I press shift plus control and the right arrow keys. We select the whole things and I press enter. The reason why it doesn't work is because I did only the array there. This small tab here explains to you where you are. So I'm going to select here, and I forgot things. I press on my keyboard the F, alright, and the K here. Okay, if you highlight on here, okay, it will be 1. Okay, close the parenthesis, press enter. So the smallest is 1, right? Then you can select this one, control copy, or you can go in here if you want to. Then I select the second one, shift, and I press all the way down. or I can press, select the next cell, Shift and the last one, and I press Control and V. Alright, and this gives me the smallest temperature. It's -4, the smallest, which is here. And so, like this, I got the minimum. For the maximum, it's almost the same process. I press plus and I press large. L, you see, it's the first one, so I can press tab. He opened the parentheses right away from me, so I can select the first one, Shift, and the last one. Okay, don't forget the elephant and number 1. Number 1 means it will select the first largest. If you put number 2, it will be the second largest, so on and so forth. Alright, so like this you can sort if you want to do the first one. Let's say you have to grade students, for example, you can do the first one, second one, and third best. You can use this one if you want to. This will be useful if you do a nested function. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so I close the parenthesis here and I press enter, and there we are. So I select this cells, Control copy, go to the next one, Shift, and I press the last one, okay, and Control V, and now I'm sorted by the biggest to the largest. So now you can notice that here I have the month, which give me the biggest or the smallest in that case. Alright, this is not a lookup function, it's something different. I might do that in another video if the response is good for this one, but you can look at this one and I will explain in another video. Thanks for watching, guys, and for your time. I much appreciate this. Alright, so if you like this video, you know what to do. If you do not, please leave a comment down below and let me know why you do not like it. Alright, I appreciate very much if you let me know why you do not like it. Alright, bye now and have a nice day.